Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried chicken. So what we're doing right now is we're going to prep our chicken before we stir-fry it. And that procedure is called velveting our chicken. So what I need to do is we need to coat the chicken. Cooking sherry, salt, cornstarch, and an egg white beaten, but not so that it's frothy. Just so that the gel breaks up. And then the last thing I need to do is we're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of oil into our velveting. Going to give it a stir. And this will go into the refrigerator for a half an hour. The chicken is out of the fridge. It's been there for about 30 minutes. It is coated, ready for velveting. Boiled 2 quarts of water on top of our stove. The velveting process will now begin. This can be done ahead of time, way before your stir fry. And the water has been turned down so it's not quite boiling. We're putting the chicken right into the water, giving it a quick stir. We want our chicken to have a white fluffy coating on it, hence the word velvet. We're just going to swirl it around. It takes 2 or 3 seconds and it's done. That's the process we do way before our stir fry. That's velveting chicken. Really important process to do, especially when you're going to be reheating your chicken after we stir fry. This speeds up the process of cooking your chicken for stir fry, and it's a great way to keep in that moisture and tenderness. Okay, we're stir frying, so it's really important to have all your ingredients ready for your stir fry. So this chicken stir fry I'm making is going to be a little bit of a pop to it because we're adding miso paste. And that's going to be part of the sauce that we're going to be using in our mixture with the soy sauce and the sherry and the ginger. And the vegetables, really, they're your choice of your family. We're going to be using today fresh snow pea pods, scallions, celery, and red pepper. It'll be a beautiful, vibrant color. The stir-fry process has begun. We've added in the celery and the scallions, then the red pepper. Next one in, the chicken. Remember, we velveted, so it doesn't need a lot. And now we're going to be, I have to show you the color of this beautiful pan. And look at this. That is the color of our chicken and our snow pea pods. We're going to take our sauce that we made with the miso. We're going to scrape that right into our stir fry. All right, our chicken stir fry is done, ready in the pan. Hope you enjoyed my chicken stir fry recipe found below. Kosher Kitchen stir-fried chicken.